These are very beautiful variety of succulents which I am started growing, and the botanical name of this species is called Senecio Barbertonicus. Senecio Barbertonicus, and it's called Barbertonicus because it was found in a town called Barberton in South Africa. And this species is originally found in southern part of Africa, Mozambique and all, in the dry areas, and grows at the base of big rocks and all. It has become very popular as a garden plant. It's quite hardy, and it can grow quite tall. In its native South Africa, they grow up to 6 feet tall, and in pots they grow tall, and sometimes they topple over. Like if it gets windy and all, it can easily fall down like that. So you have to position it properly. And a little bit about how to care. They like a sunny location, so some 4 or 5 hours of nice sun they like. And the soil should be well drained. Don't put too much cow dung and all what contains a lot of nitrogen, but more potassium and phosphorus they like. So when you watering, you can water if it's a dry climate, you can water once a week or something. And what these plants like is to be properly watered once, and then you allow the pot to dry out completely before you water again. So basically what you do is you flood it nicely, the pot, let it soak through and through, and then you wait for a week or 10 days before it completely dries up, and then you can water once again. And as you can see, they are very beautiful plants, and propagating them there are a couple of months in the year when they grow nicely. So you can cut one piece somewhere like that, and then you remove all these leaves, leave a few on top, and then about 1 inch or 1.5 inch length is ideal, and then you can plant it in a well drained potting mixture. So that's a bit about multiplication and all. And also there are one or two other things. This Senecio Barbertonicus it flowers once a year, yellowish sweet smelling flowers, and it's the host for a variety of butterfly called painted lady butterfly. So that's a little bit about this beautiful Senecio Barbertonicus.